Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to a car meet with Cord. I expect it to be mostly Hondas. The car meet is hosted by We Get Around. I'm not too sure what to expect because this is my first time going to their meet, but I'm gonna pick up my homie Justin, get some gas, and then we'll be headed over that way. It is a bit far. It's about 40 miles away one way, so it's gonna be quite a drive. Hey, I see the homie right here, Manny. What's good? What's good? Damn, people rolling up, boy. Miata gang, C5. Sheesh. Damn, that thing is freaking quiet. Like that Lexus. I thought about owning one of those if I could find one in a good price, but that's almost impossible, to be honest. Clean. Yo. Okay, I see you, boy. That's clean. Alright, this clean, this clean. Ooh, conversion. Yo, a line of like 7 or 8 EGs pulled up all at the same time. They gotta be together, bro. Wow. And then you got one RSX in between the line. Not bad. Honda Fit rolling through with an 8th gen SI sedan. Oh wow, rear cut bumper. I've not seen that on an 8th gen ever. Alright, got some ballers rolling through because there's an NSX and an R32. M3 boys. Lexus looking kind of iffy, but that's dope, I guess. Alright, boy. Off-roading gang. This is extremely clean. I like this. See inside. Gee. Well, random Supra pulled up to the meet. Black RPF ones. Can't really tell if it's a turbo or NA, but it is a left-hand drive. But anyways, let's go to the front. See it real quick. Not bad, not bad. Next to a crazy amount of Hondas, and then there's the Miata and the C5 on the end. Pretty nice 8th gen SI. Got a bucket seat in the front, the driver's quick release. This is really clean, actually. I like it. Really clean, simple, and functional. So this Civic is completely gutted inside. Not that that's a rare occurrence, but like it's really clean. There's no type of like sound deadening or anything, and it just looks like this dude straight up races. He has a GoPro mount, full on roll cage. Sheesh. I really like this color on this Integra. Not too sure if it's paint or wrap, but it's really unique. Dude, I really like this TSX. Super clean. CR57. It's got the Accord badging on it, but really clean. Type R gang. Got some green accents on this intercooler and the freaking tow hook. Also painted the, I think he painted the valve cover, I'm not sure, but it's pretty clean. I like the black on black look for Type R's. Got the Datsun pulled up. Let's check out the interior. The exterior is extremely clean. I guess the license plate is Zidechick. Interesting. Yeah, this is, man. Yeah, let's get a little closer look into the interior. Oh yeah, that's clean. Sorry about the reflection, but oof, them seats are nice. Here's the IG. See the rear? Sheesh. Damn, this Lexus SC300 so clean. I want one for sure. Now we're gonna get like a little rear shot of all these Hondas. Which one are you guys feeling the most? I have to say this one. Let's do a quick walkthrough of this row. You can see my Accord on the right next to a Del Sol, I think that's, yeah. But here we are. Quick walkthrough of this whole lane. You got the Type R's on the left. Mostly Civics, because this is a Honda dominant meet. But I ain't complaining. A lot of them are really clean. This EF wagon. Nice cream color. Nice. Got a few stragglers on the end. Got a Challenger as well over here. But this is the car I really wanted to see. The 8th gen conversion. I really like the little details in the blue on white. Definitely unique. So it looks like he swapped out a hybrid trunk. Not too sure. I'm not super knowledgeable on these conversions, but simple and clean. Got 2 bucket seats in the front, and then he has a little thing that says look but don't touch. I agree. Definitely car courtesy. Extremely clean. It's right-hand drive as well. Super low. Damn. See it. Super clean MR2 next to an NSX. Sheesh. I would want one of these 100%. Damn, this thing is so clean. Ooh. Love the wheel, tire, and big brake kit setup. That's baller. That is baller. It's also in the rear. Let's go. Sheesh. Goals. Engine bay. Ooh, this thing's clean. You'll never catch me with an engine bay this clean for sure though. Got the Type R twins right here. Don't know how I feel about the grill and the bumper versus stock, but they're both cool. Dang man, these engine bays made me want to clean mine up because they are so spotless. Jeez. These are cleaner than some of y'all rooms, boy. 10th gen Accord. Yep, it is manual. There it is. See it right there. These things move. Don't be fooled, boys. So that was the little overview of the We Get Around meet. Mostly Hondas, as I expected. But there were a few clean builds. Or not a few. There was a lot of clean builds. It's just a lot of them were Civics. And I'm not super versed in that scene, I guess, but it was still cool to see and definitely got some inspiration for me modding my Accord. But hopefully you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next upload.